Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are doing another room makeover video. This time for my grandma, not the grandma that I ran out her house, but my other grandma. Yes, my grandma that I did her house doesn't yet need another reno. Also, ignore my makeup. I was not expecting to do this intro today. I actually filmed this intro once already and it disappeared off of the computer. So hello, I'm here again. This is the second time. But nonetheless, I am still very, very excited to show you guys this video because I love interior decorating. If you guys have seen any of my other videos where I do room makeovers, you know it has become a serious passion of mine, and another passion is just treating my family and trying to surprise them in some way. So this is just another one of those. So my grandma actually lives on her own, so I thought this was like a perfect excuse to go all out pink. I think she'll really like it, and I don't know, I just feel like everybody wants a pink explosion bedroom. Is that just me? I'm not sure. So this video took a little bit of prep because my grandma she wakes up at home, she goes to sleep at home, she's home most of the time in the day. So we had to get rid of her, and in a way that wasn't seeming weird. So basically we got a hold of her friend and we booked a spa day for 2, and we just told her, pretend like you won this spa day and it's time sensitive, you have to do it like next week. And so she was great. My grandma's friend like seriously was like the hookup for this. She handled it great. She totally tricked my grandma. She was like a great actress. Perfect. So we got my grandma out of the house and we literally had, I think, 6 to 8 hours to do this, which is the quickest room makeover we've ever done. Usually we can drag our feet a little bit and just like we have room for if there's an issue, but in this case we don't. So the prep was intensive. But that is all I'm gonna say right now. I don't want to blow it. I don't want to say if it turned out good or if it turned out bad. You might just have to keep watching. I hope you want to keep watching. And also, thank you guys again. I always say this, but thank you guys for making this possible for me to be able to surprise my family and also create content like this. I absolutely love doing this, especially interior decorating, like my all-time favorite videos. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, this didn't start off on the right foot. It may have started out on the left backwards, upside down, and sideways. There was a huge storm. Not really huge in the prospect of Canada, like this was a mild storm, but in the idea of the fact that there was not supposed to be snow and there was also not supposed to be rain, and we had untarped furniture in the back of the truck for a long drive. So that's the perfect storm for a little bit of wet, a little bit of mud, and it just didn't start off amazing. So that was just us stopping to buy a tarp for over everything because at this point things were freezing. It was kind of like there was furniture out in the open packed with cardboard, but it was like getting snow pelted at it and then the water was seeping through to like the furniture, so we were worried about it. So we got a tarped it over, but then the tarp kept catching the wind. It was a whole thing, but we arrived. Alright, you guys, so we're at my grandma's apartment. We're in her apartment right now. As you can see, got some needle point behind us. So we're going to be going into my grandma's room. I'm going to show you guys the before, and then hopefully after the transformation, it looks really good and she loves it. So let's take a look inside. Here's my grandma's room. It's a really good size. As you can see, her bed is I don't want to be rude, but like, Grandma, the bed's a little bland, okay? Okay, and then she has this dresser right here with a nice big mirror, and this, I'm actually hoping once the whole renovation's done, she is like good to part with this because I really like it. And I'm not like getting her new one so I can have this one. I would like to reuse it, and it's got these legs on the bottom that are like angled. So it's very mid-century, very cool. I really like this piece. And on top of here, she's got this cute little cactus. I don't know. And then she's got all these little dancing people with outfits. Here I am. This is where she gets ready over here. on this little desk. So with the new design, she's gonna have a really fun get ready area, and she's got her little Roomba down here. She loves that. So this is basically the entirety of her bedroom. We're turning it into a pink princess explosion, so we will see what she thinks. I'm very nervous. My grandma's very particular. She's always said she liked all the room designs that I do, but I don't know if she ever personally would want one. But I guess today we're gonna figure out. So we gotta bring everything up. It's a little bit different because we're in an apartment, so we gotta get it all in the elevator and up, which will be a little difficult. But first we're gonna clear out this room. Let's go! Alright, we made quick work of that. Not everything is going to be documented on camera just because we are in such a big rush. Usually when we do these renovation videos, we have like anywhere from 3 days to like 2 weeks, whereas today we have about 7 hours, maybe, if that. No, what is it actually? Let me do some quick math. I think we have about 6 hours to do this, so it's actually insane. And like, looking at everything, I completely forgot we're gonna have to fill the walls and everything, but we can't paint. But it's empty in here, and it's like a really good sized room. It's gonna be a princess room when we're done with it. They're just gonna go and load up everything from in the vehicle. You guys saw the struggle we had yesterday driving everything in. There was like a snowstorm, a rainstorm, all of it. But yeah, here is the before of the room, and we'll see what it looks like after. My cousin does live near my grandma, so he came to help with the reno for a little bit. Thanks, by the way. They're unloading all the furniture out there, you guys, and then they gotta bring it up. I'm gonna help them, but for now I'm avoiding it. We got so much stuff. Oh my gosh, and look at the snow. The mirror broke. I don't really want to reach in because it's like shattered. There was a casualty. Alright, we're in the kitchen right now. We got a bunch of stuff on the floor because as we were driving, you guys saw, it's been a mess. Some of the stuff got dirty, so we have to like wipe it down and do some wash. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but there's definitely some stuff, so. Oh yeah, it froze.
Yeah, so actually, being that it was frozen probably is helping it come out.
Look at that rug.
I'm gonna get that under some water right away.
There's a few things, but we're gonna clean it. We've got time. This stuff is what survived though, you guys. This is big. Good job, you guys. You're survivors. Alright, you guys, a ton is being done. Like I said, we're under a time crunch. I just wanted to show you guys. So, my grandma never really had real makeup. Well, actually, maybe I don't think she did have real makeup brushes. Mom?
I can't remember her having real makeup brushes.
But I got her Jeffree Star brush set, and then I got her some makeup of my favorite makeups. So, like, the Milani blush, L'Oreal Telescopic, and oh my gosh, I got her a bunch of face masks, one being this like flamingo one, which she would look so funny in. So that'll be really good. So we're gonna fill her desk that's back there. My mom's just hanging some stuff with the new makeup, so that'll be exciting. And this little brush holder to hold everything. Good job, Mom.
Level.
Well, after a long day, we have about how long? Like an hour to spare, and the room is completely done. I'm going to show you guys first, and then we're going to get my grandma's reaction. Still not 100% sure what she'll think, but we'll know soon enough. So here it is, all finished. Oh my gosh, a pink explosion. I literally love how it turned out. You guys never saw this, but it was an idea I saw on Pinterest, and we bought all the flowers, and my mom actually DIY'd it, and we were worried on the trip over here that it broke, but it didn't. Thank goodness. The bed, we've got pillows on pillows on pillows and pillows, blankets on blankets on blankets. That's how I like it. It's good to be cozy. We've got this nice little rug, and even down to the details of just the handles on the doors we changed. This one's like an amethyst with gold. I think it's very cute, and it is a little bit dark in here just because it's not daytime anymore, but these lamps do a lot. And the interesting thing is if you keep something long enough, it will eventually come back in style, because look it, this is an older apartment building and the lights pretty much match the new lights that we got. So just keep your stuff a long time, you guys. Yeah, all her stuff's in here. She can fill this jewelry box whenever she wants. And then over in this corner, we have a little chair. This pillow is so cute. We've got my grandma's needlepoint. This like matched perfectly in here, and I think she'll really like it. Okay, and then this is very exciting. This is a new makeup desk. I don't know if she's ever had a makeup desk. We've also got these little prints over here, curtains, the whole shebang, new makeup brushes. We've got some new makeup in here and some funny face masks. This, a nice makeup mirror with a light. Okay, so this is the finished room. We're gonna set up some cameras and surprise my grandma. We'll see what she thinks, and trust me, she will be honest. So we'll see if she honestly likes it. So let's get to that. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. How was the
I ran into this woman and I said, oh, please don't mind me. I said, my friend and I just got out of the spa. She said, you look lovely.
You do, Grandma.
Well, Frank, she should have seen me when I went.
Well, Grandma.
What are you doing here?
Grandma, a little birdie told me that your room was a little boring. Grandma, that's very dangerous with me around. Grandma,
Mia?
I have a surprise for you. Let's go.
You are such a little stinker.
Go in there,
Mia. Oh my goodness. Absolutely, you are just, it's gorgeous.
Do you like it?
I love it. Quit taking pictures.
And just like that, we stopped taking pictures. Okay, guys, I have an outro for this, but I do want to apologize for the audio and like just the hasty filming. Like there was a lot of things that weren't included. There was a lot of time lapses. It's not really how I wanted the layout of the video to turn out. But that's how it turned out, and honestly, at the end of the day, it was more about surprising my grandma, so I'm glad to take you guys along with me. And anyway, into the actual outro. I just wanted to apologize for the audio, because that was insane. Like, honestly, you trust your microphone, and then it does that? Alright, you guys, so that has been this whole grandma room makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My grandma has been like non-stop texting me ever since, saying how much she likes it and how she's like spending so long making her bed, and she's starting to think that's quite a bit of fun. And like I had put some new makeup in, and she said that she was like experimenting with the new makeup, and it just seems like a lot of fun, which is exactly what I was hoping it would be. So again, thank you guys so much for this opportunity to be able to do this for my grandma. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If there's any videos you want to see in the future, make sure to let me know, comment it down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!